Check it out, my people. It's Kleju here, Catch The Flava team. I'm here in Long Beach, California, and I'm here to show you the registration process for our camp on our new website. It's so easy that you can literally do it on the beach. Alright, so let's get right to it. Check it out. Alright, so this is it. This is our website, catchtheflava.com, and right here you can choose between the street styles camp or a breaking camp. I'm a b-boy, so I'm gonna choose the breaking camp, but you choose whatever you want. Right here you have the registration tab that you can go and choose your age. Once you choose your age, you can choose your packages. Right here you have a workshops plus activities. As you can see, the price is still cheaper because we are still doing the early birds part 2. So you can choose the workshops plus activities, or you can choose only activities without the workshops, which we call the jam pass. This will not allow you to take part in the workshops, but you can also buy a single class at the camp, which will cost 35 euros. But of course, if you come into our camp, you want to learn a lot, so you're going to choose all the workshops. Below you can choose your accommodations if you want to stay with us, or choose your diet. We also provide vegetarian diet. In the next tab you can choose your extras. You can choose your extra workshops, so if you're a b-boy or b-girl but you still want to attend hip-hop workshops or popping or house workshops, you can choose some of them here. You can also choose all of them. Right here below you have other extras. You have extra accommodation, transfer from the Krakow airport, insurance at Catch The Flava, bus to Outbreak Europe and back, insurance at Outbreak Europe. You can add some of the stuff right here. You can choose it here now, or you can choose it later as well. In the next tab you can choose some of the merchandise we provide. We have t-shirts, long sleeves, hoodies, pants, caps, bags, towels, socks. Of course you want to choose all of this, but if you want to choose now, you can choose now. You can also add it later. In the last tab you just provide your details. So you put your name, you put your surname, you choose your gender, you choose your date of birth, you put your email, you put your phone number, you choose your country. You can add your reservation number of your roommate. I don't have it yet, but you can add it later. So right here below you have your chosen packages. So everything you chose is already here, so you can double check if you chose everything you want. Below you have your cost summary, and as you can see right here, you have 7 days to pay the deposit, and this will make your spot reserved for sure, and only then after you need to pay the rest until the 30th of June. Here you accept the terms of the website and the privacy policy, the participation contract. You can click on it and read it, and then you go to register. So this is it. You have your reservation number. Right here you can already pay by card or by transfer. You can pay the deposit. Only deposit will make your place reserved, okay? And then you can pay the full price, but you can do it also later. Right here, as you can see, I got my email, confirmation email, welcome to Catch The Flava Camp. And yeah, this is it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helped you understand the process of the registration for our camp. Remember that the early birds part 2 is still going, so the earlier you sign up, the cheaper. You only need to put the deposit first, only 100 euros to book your spot with the early birds tickets. Alright? Thanks guys for watching, and see you at the camp!